CL. And this is the light crude pattern in here on the daily chart. So we had talked about this area of 43.5, 44 for a long time as the resistance area. Last week we talked about this cycle low right there at 41.46, and if it broke down it would be negative. That is the case, and now we've had a loss of momentum. You can see upside momentum. Well, where did that begin? We're going to look at the slim ribbon here so you can get a sense as we look at all of these cycles right in there. The slim ribbon, which is the most amazing indicator that you can have for momentum, turned positive right over here. We were at about $30 in the light crude market. We use the projection oscillator with the slim ribbon, and all of these buys that you see right over there, all extremely valuable. These are buys or adds or confirmations to the upside momentum. And from $30, it gets all the way up to 43.5. Just beautiful action there on the momentum signal. Remember, that's what you're going to get from us in various time frames in the Slimulator rankings and also in the Slimulator momentum tracker. So here is the breakdown of momentum right there. So that's the first time in all of these long weeks. And the breakdown of the cycle analysis and the time frame here is into around the second to third week of September. So in other words, this decline that's going on right over here is likely to continue. So what we're going to look for is a continued choppy period in here and working its way down. Our downside projections are at around 39.15, right up around this level right over here on that support, and then getting into the weekly supports over here, which come down around $38. So we're going to look for continued attempts to rally that fail and downward movement here in light crude. Some of the evidence, upside momentum, is gone. Short-term, intermediate-term momentum's now really in the neutral category. A downside correction likely based on the weeklies and the dailies that we're looking at into late September, late October, beginning of October looks like a much better period. So if it gets into that support zone we're showing you, that is very likely going to be a buy area for the light crude market.